Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Instagram page for business. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, there are two ways actually. So first one is by creating a fresh account from a separate email or phone number, then turning your personal account into a business account. Okay. And the other option is by making your current account, okay, if you have your personal account, and convert it to a business account or business page. Okay. So I'm just going to show you both ways. So if you want to create a new account, just tap on your profile right here, go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go and scroll all the way down, okay, all the way down, and just tap on add account. Okay. In here, tap on create new account. Type down your new username, tap on next, follow simple prompts, and once done, you'll be logged in to the new account. Okay. I'm not going to do it again as this one right here is already a fresh account. Okay. I want to go ahead and tap on account center right here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Okay. This is my personal account, Facebook and Instagram. And this one is the second account that I'm going to go ahead and use as a business page. Okay. So as you can see here, I'm currently logged in as the second account. So what we'll do, go ahead and go to your profile right here. Okay, this is for both new and already existing personal accounts. Okay, tap on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and scroll down and find, okay, business controls or your insights and tools. Tap on account type and tools right here. Now just go ahead and tap on switch to professional account. Or you could go ahead and tap on add new professional account. It's up to you. So I'm just going to tap on this option right here at the top, hit on next. And in here, just go ahead and select your category. Okay. Are you an entrepreneur or are you into health and beauty, products and services, restaurant, okay, grocery store, shopping and retail? It's up to you. Or even beauty, cosmetic and personal care. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and choose product and service. Tap on it. And if you want to, you can go ahead and display this badge on your profile. Then tap on switch to professional account. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, make sure that you select a business right here. Okay, as this one is best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers. Tap on next. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and enable promotional emails. If not, just tap on next. Now, go ahead and set up your public business information. Okay. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and display this one in your business page as well. Okay. All the details right here, including your email, your phone number, business address, and your Instagram audio calling. Okay. So just follow simple prompts, tap on next. And if you want to log into Facebook, okay, connect both Facebook and your Instagram business page, you can go ahead and tap on log into Facebook. If not, just tap on skip. Okay. Now in here, all you need to do is just follow simple prompts from here. Complete your profile, get inspired, get verified if you want to, or if not, you can just tap on X right here to skip. And there you have it. Here we now have our business page. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.